Hey, Jeremy here from LATT SEO. In this video, I'm walking through an audit I did for a prospect to share with them a number of different elements that can be improved and cleaned up on their site from an SEO perspective to help them generate more organic traffic, rank better, and likely generate more revenue as well. Let's get into it.
The first thing I would recommend is from a title and optimization perspective, your homepage is optimized for a variety of different keywords. And what I mean by that is as I hover over here, it shows the title. It's probably not showing in the video, but the homepage title is Engine Rebuilding, Performance Parts, Balancing. And my recommendation would be within your services page here, you have all of these listed here. I would strongly recommend having each of these as an individual page that can be optimized specifically for that product or that service. So have a page dedicated to and optimized for engine rebuilding and talking just about that, and then linking to those products there. Same thing with machine work, block boring, and classic car engine restoration, etc. Have all of these on their own individual pages that can be optimized specifically for that, and then link to the specific products from those pages. And the reason for that is then we can target a specific keyword or set of keywords on those pages individually. So all of that being said, I want to look at a couple other data points here with you, and then I'll share with you one of the other products that I would recommend optimizing and how some of these products themselves can be changed and optimized better for you. So this tool here is called Ahrefs. The cool part about this tool is there's so many different data points in here, but the two data points I like to look at first are called referring domains and DR, or domain rating. Now, a referring domain, if you're unfamiliar, is a unique instance of a different website on the internet linking to you. And the reason I mention this and look at these is because Google does. And Google looks at or views referring domains basically as votes of confidence or trust signals. So as a website owner, operator, marketer, you want to have other trusted websites linking to your site. And as you get more sites linking to you, your DR, or domain rating, tends to increase as well. Now, DR is on a 0 to 100 scale, and essentially lets us know how strong or how authoritative your website is. But it also lets us know how competitive or how difficult a keyword or phrase is likely to be to rank for. So that being said, let's look at your keyword list here. And this chart now shows all keywords and phrases your site ranks for in Google. You can see 3,192 different keywords. And I have this sorted by search volume per month. So some of these, for example, machine shop near me, it shows 13,000 searches per month, but that is 13,000 searches per month for all searches. So somebody in California or Chicago or Florida, whatever. So this is a fine search to optimize for locally and work to rank for that. And you probably do. If people are searching for that in your area, you probably rank pretty well for that. But other opportunities here would be something like 5.3 Rebuild Kit. Now, the 1,400 people search this every month, and you're ranked number 4. So you're already on page 1 for that, which is good. But there is big potential here, because if you were to increase from where you are at number 4, you're getting about 466 visitors to your site, or to that page, each month. If we were to surpass Summit Racing, you can see they get about 1,000. So more than double the traffic just from moving up a couple spots. So the other factors here that are influencing your ability to rank here, if we look at their optimization, you can see here, again, the key phrase is 5.3 Rebuild Kit. And in their title, they have 5.3 Engine Rebuild Kit. And your title is Rebuild Kit GM Chev 5.3L. So my recommendation from a title perspective would be to optimize this title to be more in line with what they have. And especially because the keyword that gets the most search volume is 5.3 Rebuild Kit, to change this around to 5.3L Rebuild Kit, and then have GM Chev 325 truck, etc. And then the other thing we can do, and this is where it starts to get really interesting from a content perspective. So on this page itself, I would recommend obviously that optimization, but then you can change the title here. And then secondly, as we look at all other opportunities from a keyword perspective, we can see the massive opportunities here to optimize on the page itself. And what I mean by that is this keyword chart here now shows all keywords and phrases that contain 5.3 Rebuild Kit somewhere in them. And you can see the 216 keywords. Search volume now for this is 5,500 searches per month, global 5,800. And you can see here then the keywords are like 5.3 LS Rebuild Kit, High Performance Rebuild Kit for 5.3 Vortec, 5.3 Engine Rebuild Kit, and so on. 5.3 LM7 Rebuild Kit. So the key here would be to add in as many of these keywords and phrases into the content here as possible, which you already do have some of them, but look through this list here and figure out which of these actually make sense to have in there. And you can see here, like 2002 5.3 rebuild kit. If we do a quick search for that, do you have 2002 in here anywhere? You don't. So adding that in makes it easier for you to rank for something like that. And there are 40 people every month searching for 2002 5.3 rebuild kit. So ranking for something like that can help you get an additional 1 or 2 or 10 people to the site every month. And if they're looking for something as specific as a 2002 5.3 rebuild kit, chances are they know exactly what they want. And if everything else looks good, this could be a solid opportunity for you to turn them into a customer. So all that being said, hopefully that makes sense. My process for what I do is basically looking at everything like I just mentioned to you and doing a detailed audit of your site on a page-by-page basis to figure out what you should rank for, how to optimize your site, and then work and go through and optimize all of that for you as well.
Hope you got some value from that video. If you did, subscribe to my channel. It would help me out. I'd appreciate it. And if you're looking for help with your SEO, fill out the contact form in the description or in the comment section of the video here, and I'll take a look at your website, your details, and see how I can best help you improve your organic SEO, generate more traffic, and improve your revenue as well. And that's it. Thanks.